Once we have collected the data, next stage is a data preparation. For the data preparation, you're going to code the data, encoding and decoding process. Finally, you're going to tabulating the data as per the requirements of analysis. So the data analysis are furtherly classified into the three major categories: univariate data analysis, bivariate and multivariate data analysis. For the univariate data analysis, we are going to measure the characteristics of a single variable. For bivariate data analysis, we are going to find out the relationship, or we are going to find out the predictive relationship, or the difference between the variable, or the association between the variable we are going to find out by using the different statistical tools we might apply for bivariate data analysis. And multivariate data analysis, we might have the dependent technique and interdependent technique. Based on that, we are going to measure the more number of variable, more number of dependent variable and more number of independent variable. We might go for multivariate data analysis. So this is a procedure for univariate data analysis. For the univariate data analysis, we might have the different scaling technique like ordinal scales, intervals, nominal, how we are going to use, what are the set of tools we might apply for this. The two different categories about the descriptive statistics, we might use central tendency and dispersion, and inferential statistics to test the hypothesis. We might use the z-test, t-test, ks test and chi-square test. We might use in univariate data analysis. And bivariate data analysis is comparing the relationship or interdependence between the two variables. For that also, we might use the descriptive statistics and inferential statistics to test the relationship with a different set of variables also been used for testing the different characteristics or different measurements as per the requirement of the research. And multivariate data analysis furtherly classified into interdependence technique and dependence technique. In the interdependence technique, there is no classification about dependent variable and independent variable. For example, we are using techniques like widely used technique factor analysis, cluster analysis, multidimensional scaling. Whereas the dependence analysis, there should be a component. We are going to classify the variables based on the research instrument. We classify it into dependent variable and independent variable. And the interdependence method using the factor, cluster and MDS. For the factor analysis, also divided into exploratory and confirmatory factor analysis. Exploratory factor analysis, large set of variables, we might derive the underlying factors. And confirmatory factor analysis, based on the existing relationship, we might going to confirm the existing theory or disconfirm the theory. So it is for example of confirmatory factor analysis, a path analysis used, and model fitness summary is also used for testing the relationship. Goodness of fit and badness of fit also been measured using RMSEA, root mean square error of approximation, normalized fit index, and centralized fit index also been used.